Hi everyone, it's Monica, and welcome back to TaylorMade Cards for You. I'm here today to share with you and pick the winners of my drawing for my 7 days of Halloween. Now, as you recall, I said I would give away several prizes, and one of the prizes was going to be one of the stamp sets that I used in the series. And that stamp set, of course, is going to be the one where I used where I created the retro cards. If you recall, that was my most popular video, so it kind of worked out that this was the stamp set that I'm going to be giving away. And that stamp set is on my left of the screen. I'm also going to be giving away a couple of kits, and these are my passport books. I have a couple of themes. One of them is a Halloween theme, and then I also have a traveler's theme. So when I pick the winners, when you email me, just let me know which one you prefer, if you'd rather have the Halloween theme or the traveler's theme. And that's what I'm sharing with you now. Now, if you're not fortunate enough to win, I do have these in my Etsy shop. So the 3 types of kits that I have are Halloween, and then I have travel, and then I also have Christmas. And you're going to get all sorts of fun goodies to put in your journal and create your kit. I've also started creating some of my own ephemera for my kits, and this is working out really well because I'm able to also give away 3 of my digital printouts, which are journal cards, and I'm going to be sharing those with you in just a minute here. So if you do make your own kits and you just need some ephemera, you can check out my digital images as well over in my Etsy shop, and I'll leave a link for that. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the drawing. Now, the kits are cute. I'm also going to be in the kits. They have these little charms in the Halloween kit, and that's what I was sharing with you a second ago. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the drawing. Now, for the stamp set, I'm going to be giving this to one person, and the winner of this stamp set is Lori Powell. So, Lori, if you can go ahead and send me an email, I will leave my email in the notes below. All right, my second winner, which is for one of the travel kits or the Halloween kit, your choice, Tammy Cash. So Tammy, go ahead and send me an email, and we'll get your kit out. Just make sure you let me know which one you prefer, the Halloween or the travel kit. And then my third winner for one of the kits is One Who Crops. Not sure who that is, but hopefully One Who Crops will know who that is. And send me an email. Let me know which kit you prefer. All right. So like I said, I have started creating some of my own digital images, and I'm able to share one of my digital images set with 3 winners. So I'm going to go ahead and pick 3 more winners, and the digital set that I'm going to send you is this journal card. It's a Halloween journal card that you can print out, and you can use it for your crafting as well. All right, so like I said, I'm going to pick 3 winners, and the 3 winners for this digital printout is number 1, Lisa Reloval. So Lisa, if you can send me an email with your email. Cassie's Creations is my second winner for my digital journal card set. And then my third winner is April Bowender. So if you can all 3 send me an email providing me with your email, I can go ahead and send you my digital image. So thanks so much, everybody, for participating in my 7 days of Halloween. I hope you had as much fun as I did. All right, we'll see you again next time. Thanks for stopping by.